Have you ever wondered what secrets Jupiter's great red spot might be hiding? This is a question that has captivated the minds of scientists, astronomers, and space enthusiasts alike for centuries. The Great Red Spot, a storm of such colossal proportions that it dwarfs our own planet, is an iconic symbol of the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Imagine a hurricane so vast that it could easily swallow 2 Earths with room to spare. That's the sheer scale we're talking about here. This fiery, swirling tempest has been raging on for at least 400 years, possibly even longer. Visible even from our humble blue planet, the Great Red Spot is a striking feature of Jupiter's turbulent, gaseous atmosphere. Its reddish hue gives it a fiery appearance, a stark contrast to the muted bands of white, yellow, and brown that characterize the rest of the gas giant's surface. This crimson vortex, a maelstrom of high-pressure winds and clouds, spins counterclockwise, acting like a colossal cyclone in the sky. But what makes the Great Red Spot truly fascinating is its longevity. Storms on Earth, as destructive as they can be, are fleeting in comparison. They last for days, maybe a week if they're particularly stubborn. But Jupiter's Great Red Spot? It's been weathering the storm for centuries, a relentless whirlpool of atmospheric chaos. And yet, despite its size and age, there's so much we still don't know about this celestial phenomenon. What's driving its power? What causes its distinctive red hue? And what mysteries does it hold about the formation and evolution of our solar system? These are the questions that have driven astronomers to study this giant storm, to probe its depths and uncover its secrets. And thanks to the marvels of modern technology, we've been able to get a closer look than ever before. So, how did we come to discover this massive, raging storm on a distant gas giant? The journey to that answer takes us back in time, to an era when the tools of astronomy were much more rudimentary than they are today. But that's a story for our next scene. Stay tuned. The first recorded observation of the Great Red Spot was not through a high-tech space telescope, but from right here on Earth. A testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, the Great Red Spot's discovery dates back to the 17th century. The first pair of eyes to witness this magnificent storm belonged to none other than Robert Hooke, an English scientist known for his work in a variety of fields, from physics and astronomy to biology. In the year 1664, Hooke peered through his modest 30-foot telescope and noted a peculiar spot on the surface of Jupiter. He couldn't have known then that he was looking at the most massive storm in our solar system. However, the details were fuzzy, and the technology of the time limited his understanding of what he was truly observing. Almost a decade later, the Italian astronomer Giovanni Cassini also observed a spot on Jupiter. Cassini's observations, spanning from 1671 to 1677, suggested that this spot was permanent, or at least extremely long-lived. Yet, the technology of the 17th century was far from the powerful telescopes we have today. The early observers of the Great Red Spot could only see a blurry, reddish spot on the surface of Jupiter. They didn't have the capability to discern its true nature, size, or even its precise location. It was like trying to discern the details of a distant ship on the horizon with the naked eye. However, these initial observations marked the beginning of a centuries-long fascination with Jupiter's Great Red Spot. They sparked questions that would drive future generations of astronomers to develop better technology and techniques to study this intriguing storm. Every new discovery, every piece of the puzzle added, would bring us closer to understanding the true nature of this celestial marvel. As technology progressed, so did our understanding of this gigantic storm. And as we continue to probe the mysteries of the universe, who knows what other secrets the Great Red Spot and Jupiter itself may yet reveal. With the advent of space exploration, the veil of mystery began to lift from Jupiter's Great Red Spot. As we entered the era of exploration beyond our own planet, our curiosity led us towards Jupiter's massive storm, the Great Red Spot. 2 significant missions, Voyager and Juno, were instrumental in unveiling the mysteries of this astronomical marvel. In the late 70s, the Voyager mission provided us with the first detailed images of the Great Red Spot. This was a pivotal moment in our understanding of the storm, as it revealed the intricate swirls of its outer layers and the deep red hue that gives the spot its name. Following in Voyager's footsteps, the Juno mission of 2016 took our exploration a step further. Juno was equipped with advanced instruments designed to probe beneath the storm's outer layers, revealing its true depth for the first time. It was discovered that the Great Red Spot extends about 300 kilometers down into Jupiter's atmosphere, much deeper than any storm on Earth. The Juno mission also provided valuable data on the spot's composition. It's primarily composed of ammonia and water clouds, with traces of other compounds. Interestingly, the deep red color is thought to be caused by chemical reactions in the storm's upper layers, although the exact process remains a mystery. Perhaps one of the most awe-inspiring findings was the immense speed of the spot's winds. Clocking in at over 400 kilometers per hour, these are some of the fastest winds in the solar system, outpacing even those of Neptune's ferocious storms. These missions brought us closer than ever to understanding the Great Red Spot, but they also raised new questions. The more we uncover about this massive storm, the more we realize there is still much to learn. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of our universe, who knows what other secrets Jupiter's Great Red Spot might reveal? What makes the Great Red Spot a storm unlike any other we know? Well, let's start with its longevity. While storms on Earth may last a few hours, or in the case of hurricanes, even a few weeks, the Great Red Spot has been swirling for centuries. That's right, centuries. It's been around since at least the 17th century, making it the longest-lived storm known to humans. Imagine a hurricane that started when Shakespeare was writing his plays and is still going strong today. Another standout characteristic of the Great Red Spot is its ability to retain heat. Despite being so far from the sun, the storm is a hot spot on Jupiter's chilly surface. In fact, it's hotter than anywhere else on the planet, with temperatures reaching up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This thermal anomaly makes the Great Red Spot a fascinating subject for scientists studying the atmospheres of gas giants, and it's one of the reasons why the storm has endured for so long. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the Great Red Spot is its color. The storm is famous for its striking reddish hue, yet the reason for this color remains something of a mystery. Some theories suggest that the color could be due to complex organic molecules, red phosphorus, or even a compound containing sulfur. However, these theories have yet to be confirmed, making the color of the Great Red Spot one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our solar system. So there you have it. The Great Red Spot is a storm like no other, not just because of its size or its location on Jupiter, but because of its incredible longevity, its unusual heat retention, and the enigma of its color. Each of these unique characteristics makes the Great Red Spot a captivating subject for study and a testament to the wonders of our universe. These unique characteristics continue to puzzle scientists and fuel ongoing research. Interestingly, the Great Red Spot has been shrinking, but why? This is a question that has left astronomers scratching their heads in puzzlement. The Great Red Spot, this colossal storm on Jupiter, has been under observation for centuries, and over the years, something curious has been noticed. The storm, once an expansive, swirling spectacle, has been reducing in size. In the late 19th century, the Great Red Spot was estimated to be about 25,000 miles wide. That's big enough to swallow Earth 2 times over. However, recent observations by the Hubble Space Telescope and the Juno spacecraft suggest that the storm has shrunk to a mere 10,600 miles wide. That's still gigantic by Earth standards, but quite a dramatic change for the Great Red Spot. There are several theories as to why this is happening. Some scientists propose it could be due to changes in Jupiter's climate. As the planet's weather patterns shift, the storm might be losing its fuel source, causing it to shrink. Others suggest it might be due to unknown processes within the storm itself. Perhaps the storm is losing energy, or maybe it's being disrupted by other weather systems. But here's the kicker. We don't know for sure. Despite our technological advancements and continuous observation, the Great Red Spot remains a mystery. It's a reminder that there is so much about our universe that we have yet to understand. So for now, we continue to observe, to study, and to marvel at this astounding storm. Its shrinkage, far from making it less interesting, has only added to its intrigue. It's a tantalizing puzzle that astronomers and space enthusiasts around the world are eager to solve. The shrinking of the Great Red Spot adds another layer of mystery to this already enigmatic storm. It's a testament to the endless wonders that our universe holds and the constant intrigue it offers us. Its transformation fuels our curiosity and propels us to keep exploring the cosmos, seeking answers to the mysteries that continue to captivate us. What does the future hold for Jupiter's Great Red Spot? A question that has piqued the curiosity of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. As we gaze at the swirling, tumultuous storm, we can't help but ponder what lies ahead for this celestial marvel. Many scientists speculate that the Great Red Spot may continue to shrink. Over the past few decades, it has steadily reduced in size, transforming from a gigantic storm that could swallow Earth 3 times over to a still impressive but significantly smaller tempest. If this trend continues, we may witness the Great Red Spot dwindle further in the coming years. However, there's an equally intriguing possibility, one that sees the Great Red Spot disappearing entirely. This mammoth storm has been raging on Jupiter for at least 4 centuries, a testament to its resilience. But everything, even the mightiest of storms, must come to an end. Could we be the last generation to observe this awe-inspiring spectacle? But let's not be quick to write the obituary of the Great Red Spot. Some scientists argue that this storm could stabilize and persist for centuries to come. After all, the storm has already withstood the test of time, surviving countless orbits around the sun. The storm's longevity might be due to deeper, unseen forces at work within Jupiter's atmosphere, ensuring the storm's survival even as it shrinks. The future of the Great Red Spot is a captivating mystery, a puzzle waiting to be solved. It's a reminder of the many secrets our universe holds, secrets that we're only beginning to uncover. As we continue to probe the depths of outer space, we'll undoubtedly gain new insights into this mesmerizing storm and its potential fate. As we ponder the future of the Great Red Spot, we're reminded of the vastness of the cosmos and the thrilling unpredictability of our universe. It's a testament to the fact that there's so much more to learn, so much more to discover. Only time will tell what the future holds for this fascinating celestial phenomenon. The Great Red Spot of Jupiter, a storm of epic proportions, continues to captivate us. This gargantuan tempest, first discovered in the 17th century, has been a subject of fascination for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike for centuries. Its sheer size, larger than Earth itself, and its longevity, remaining relatively stable for over 3 centuries, make it a phenomenon unlike any other in our solar system. We've peeled back the layers of mystery surrounding this iconic feature of Jupiter, shedding light on its unique characteristics. The Great Red Spot is a storm like no other, with winds whipping around at speeds that would dwarf the most ferocious hurricanes on Earth. Its distinct red color, a result of complex chemical reactions, adds to its enigmatic allure. However, this colossal storm isn't static. Recent observations have revealed that the Great Red Spot is shrinking. The reasons behind this change are still a subject of ongoing research. Some theories suggest it may be due to changes in Jupiter's climate, while others propose that it could be a natural part of the storm's life cycle. Regardless of the cause, this shift signifies that even features we consider constant in our universe are subject to change. Looking ahead, the future of the Great Red Spot remains uncertain. Will it continue to shrink until it disappears completely? Or will it manage to endure, remaining a fixture of Jupiter's visage for centuries to come? Only time will reveal the answers to these questions. As we've journeyed together through the history, characteristics, and potential future of the Great Red Spot, we've not only learned about this fascinating storm, but also about the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. As we continue to probe the mysteries of our universe, the Great Red Spot serves as a reminder of just how much there is still to discover.